Hey, Anthony with Wales Darby here. We're visiting up in New Bedford, Massachusetts with NTI. We just kind of completed our hands-on with air to water with the Verta products. So as you can see, some of the products here are still running. If you hear something, that is the outdoor unit, so it's very quiet. But really neat stuff, big launch. First hands-on with some selective contractors that we brought up for 2 days. And yeah, we're just enjoying all to learn about the control side versus piping and deciding what applications are best to attack with domestic hot water as well. Some neat stuff here.
How you guys doing? My name is Nick from Shelter Air, back in New York. I'm here for the NTI air to water heat pump training. So far, it's a very good training, it's very hands-on training. NTI is a great program here where you're able to learn very fast.